Colon polyps are small growths that can develop on the inner lining of the colon, also known as the large intestine. While most polyps are harmless, some have the potential to become cancerous over time. Bowel cancer, also known as colorectal cancer, is the third most common type of cancer worldwide. The good news is that certain food choices can play a role in reducing the risk of colon polyps and bowel cancer. In this video, we'll explore 9 foods that can help get rid of colon polyps and stop the progression of bowel cancer. Probiotic-rich foods. Probiotics are beneficial microorganisms that promote a healthy gut microbiome. Foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi contain probiotics that can aid digestion, reduce inflammation, and boost your immune system. A balanced gut microbiome is essential for maintaining the integrity of the intestinal lining and preventing the development of polyps and cancer cells. Garlic and onions. Garlic and onion are not only tasty additions to your meals, but also potent allies in preventing colon polyps and bowel cancer. These aromatic vegetables contain organosulfur compounds that have been shown to inhibit cancer cell growth and promote detoxification processes in the body. Including garlic and onions in your cooking can contribute to a healthier colon. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower and Brussels sprouts are well known for their health benefits. They contain a compound called sulforaphane, which has been studied extensively for its potential anti-cancer properties. Sulforaphane has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and promote their death, making it a promising candidate in the fight against colon polyps and bowel cancer. Legumes. Legumes, including beans, lentils and chickpeas, are excellent sources of plant-based protein, fiber and essential nutrients. Its fiber content helps maintain a healthy colon environment, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Additionally, legumes contain compounds like flavonoids and polyphenols that have been linked to a reduced risk of colon cancer. Berries. Berries are a powerhouse of antioxidants, which are compounds that help protect cells from free radical damage. Blueberries, strawberries and raspberries are particularly rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins and vitamin C. These antioxidants have been linked to a reduced risk of colon polyps and bowel cancer by neutralizing harmful molecules and reducing inflammation in the colon. Fatty fish. The omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel and sardines are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. These healthy fats have gained attention for their anti-inflammatory properties and potential in reducing the risk of several diseases, including colon polyps and bowel cancer. Omega-3 fatty acids play a role in maintaining a healthy intestinal environment, modulating immune responses and inhibiting the growth of abnormal cells in the colon. Green tea. Green tea is known for its numerous health benefits, including its potential to prevent colon polyps and bowel cancer. It contains compounds called catechins, which have been shown to exhibit anti-cancer properties by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and promoting their destruction. Drinking green tea regularly can be a refreshing and healthy addition to your daily routine. Turmeric. Turmeric is a vibrant yellow spice, contains curcumin, an active compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has been extensively studied for its potential to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and promote their death. In the context of colon health, curcumin's effects on reducing inflammation and oxidative stress are particularly relevant. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds offer a wealth of nutrients, including fiber, healthy fats and essential minerals. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are especially notable for their contributions to colon health. Fiber content helps promote regular bowel movements, while healthy fats provide a source of energy and support cellular function. Additionally, flax seeds contain lignans, which are compounds with potential anti-cancer properties. Making conscious dietary choices can have a significant impact on reducing the risk of colon polyps and bowel cancer. Incorporating a variety of these nutrient-rich foods into your diet can contribute to a healthier digestive system and overall well-being. As always, it's recommended to consult a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have a family history of colon polyps or bowel cancer. I trust that you enjoyed the content, and click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, enable notifications, and share the video with your friends and family.